So in this video I am going to show the tablets which the students of Uttar Pradesh are getting from the government side. So this is the tablet which I got today only. So this is a Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 tablet and the price is shown here. I will not show my information. The price is shown here is 20,000. So this is the box, and along with that a power adapter is also given, which is a 15-watt charger, and a flip cover is given for the protection of the tablet. So let's unbox it. So first of all we are going to break its seal. So here it is, and due to oh my god, so it is open now, and inside that there is a tablet which is compact, and along with that certain, oh my god, here we are also getting a USB pin, USB wire, and inside it is our tablet. So let's unbox it. So you can see it is made in India. Let's unbox it. Without further delay, let's unbox it. Oh my god. So this is a free tablet which we are getting in Uttar Pradesh as a student. Okay. So this is a tablet. Let's open it. Whether it is charged or not, we will find it out. And let's see what happens. Oh my god, it is charged. What a small piece of art it is. Let's also see the charger. Charger is closed. It was seal packed, you can see. So from one hand I am holding the camera, so it will be very difficult for me to open it up. So now let's see the function of this. Oh my god, it is getting open now. So we are going to say start, and agree to all, agree, what the stuff, and